Introducing the Google Pixel 10 Pro, the most intelligent, refined, and advanced Android smartphone Google has ever created. In a world where smartphones are constantly evolving, the Pixel 10 Pro pushes the boundaries of what's possible, combining cutting-edge AI, legendary computational photography, and a stunning design, all tailored to deliver a deeply personal and fluid experience like never before. At the heart of this innovation is Google's in-house Tensor G4 chipset, a powerhouse built on a 3nm process, designed specifically to handle on-device AI with incredible efficiency and speed. This chip is the brain behind some of Pixel's most mind-blowing features, including real-time voice translation across multiple languages, an improved magic eraser that effortlessly removes distractions from your photos, and Photo Unblur 2.0, which now works even better with older, low-quality images. Everything is processed locally on the device, so your data stays private while your phone stays fast. Whether you're dictating messages, editing photos, or multitasking across apps, the Tensor G4 ensures a seamless, intelligent experience. The display is nothing short of spectacular. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel offers a QHD+ resolution, a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, and ultra-slim symmetrical bezels, delivering an immersive, edge-to-edge visual experience. With support for HDR10+, deeper blacks, and vibrant colors, watching content, gaming, or simply browsing becomes a visual treat. The adaptive refresh rate ensures that battery life is preserved during simple tasks, yet ramps up to full speed when needed, delivering both efficiency and fluidity in one. Photography has always been the hallmark of Pixel phones, and the Pixel 10 Pro is no exception. In fact, it might just be the smartest mobile camera ever built. The triple camera system includes a 50MP primary sensor with large 1.2 micrometers pixels and OIS for incredible low light performance and razor-sharp clarity. Alongside it is a 48MP Periscope telephoto lens offering up to 10x optical zoom, letting you capture faraway subjects without sacrificing detail. Rounding off the setup is a 12MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus, perfect for capturing group shots, landscapes, and dramatic perspectives. All of this is powered by Google's next-gen image processing, ensuring lifelike colors, balanced exposures, and AI-enhanced features like Best Take, Face Unblur, Motion Mode, and even video stabilization that rivals professional gear. On the front, a centered 12MP selfie camera supports 4K video recording, real-time HDR, and facial recognition. It's ideal for content creators, video calls, and casual snaps, all presented in the sharp, natural tone Pixel fans have come to love. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 10 Pro shines. With a 5,100 mAh battery, it delivers more than enough juice to power through a full day of heavy usage. Paired with 30W wired fast charging, reverse wireless charging, and Pixel-exclusive adaptive charging features, the device intelligently learns your routine to extend battery health and maximize uptime. You can go from morning to night without ever needing to worry about finding a charger. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 Pro maintains Google's signature aesthetic, but refines it even further. The signature horizontal camera bar remains a focal point, now more polished and seamlessly integrated into the rear glass panel. The new color finishes, including sterling gray, porcelain white, midnight black, and smoky green, add personality without going over the top. The phone is crafted with recycled aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it both environmentally conscious and highly durable. It's also IP68 certified, ensuring resistance against dust and water, making it a reliable companion no matter the conditions. On the software front, the Pixel 10 Pro runs Android 15, debuting Pixel-first features like enhanced privacy dashboards, improved multitasking tools, dynamic theming, and advanced AI assistant controls that make everyday use smarter and smoother. With 7 years of guaranteed OS and security updates, the Pixel 10 Pro offers future-proof peace of mind that most Android phones can't match. And let's not forget the little touches that make using a Pixel feel magical, like at-a-glance updates, call screen that filters spam in real time, recorder with live transcription, and Pixel's exclusive AI wallpapers that evolve with your day. Every element is thoughtful, helpful, and crafted to reduce friction while increasing delight. Whether you're a mobile photographer, an Android enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the smartest smartphone experience available, the Google Pixel 10 Pro delivers on every front. It's more than just a phone, it's a showcase of what the future of Android looks like when hardware, software, and AI come together in perfect harmony. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just built to compete, it's built to lead. Get ready to experience what true intelligence feels like in the palm of your hand.